right, yes. This time around, this is our hair extension that we are going to use. Sometimes you find out some people get scared of using these colors, but they're always comfortable when it comes to tinting their hair like this color. It's always comfortable for them. But nowadays, it is no longer going to be a reason, or maybe it is just going to be your choice if you choose to. But if you're trying to grow your hair, your natural hair, and you have that dream of having your long natural hair, yes, nowadays if you want to look somehow different, you can always have those looks. Like those ones who have been they want to tint their hair, and sometimes they're scared of maybe like their hair to because when you tint, that means you no longer have the natural hair, you understand. So this time around, you can always do it. Why? It is because you can achieve the same look when like the same look with a low cut or a sponge dread, as you're going to be seeing in this video. So please, if you want to have maybe like a red color, a white color, any color that you want in your hair, we can always do it this way, and maybe you don't you don't miss these hairstyles. So if you want to look natural, and maybe you want to hide your hair, this is this is the best hair. This is the best style that you can always do, and knowing that your hair is protected. Yes. So this time around, we are going to do the low cut as you've been seeing it, and I'm going to try to make it right for you so that you can see my outcome. So let's do this together. Alright, yes, my name is Morris, the crochet master, and if you like my video, please, I would like you to go right there and like the video, and if possible, try to comment, tell me where you're watching me from, and I'll be there to answer you. And another thing, remember, I work at Hair by Clippers Salon, and then we opened the institute already, and we are registering everyone. You can always come and join us. Yes, at Hair by Clippers Technical Institute. Yes, when all goes well, you'll be getting your certificate or even a diploma that is well certified with the government, the Ministry of Education and Sports. So that is how it is. So if you want to join us, yes, the registration is in progress, both online and here. And I'm happy that I'm also going to be your instructor in the institute. Bye bye. My name is Morris, the crochet master. See you.